Welcome back to my studio. I'm Yvette Mecca. Let's go.
It's happy mail time. Thank you for stopping by. If you do not know who I am Yvette Mecca. I prefer Mecca, if you don't mind. I am the voice behind a DC Art Doll. And what we have here, my dears, if you were not paying attention, we have some happy mail that we are about to dig into. So I just need to figure out where. I know this is not okay. I'm not getting in there through there because you're sealed. So our mission and our goal is to figure out how to get in here without destroying the goods. Okay, I'm putting it up to the light to see. I think I can get in here this way. This is from, my glue fell. Get you later. This is from, pardon me, Noel, the cute little frogs. Let's see what we have going on here, Noel. We jumped in a swap with the Trash Junk Journals group on Facebook. And we swapped. If you have not seen my prior video, I was showing you all the stickers that I have and stickers that I went out and purchased due to the fact that I thought I was ready. I wasn't. So I went and grabbed some more so that I can be a part of this swap. So Noel, what did you do? What does she have going on, guys? What does she have going on? Let's take it out and see. Now, I've never done a swap like this before, so here we go. An original by Pretty Sassy Creations. Super cute. Uh-oh. Okay. Thank you for being my swap partner in the sticker pop-up swap. I hope you enjoy the collection I put together for you. Happy crafting, Noel. This is stinking cute, Noel. I am a sucker for mushrooms. I am a sucker for the flowers, and I am definitely a moon child. So thank you. Thank you. What a great start. Okay. So, oh, wow. Wow. This is a envelope, I think made with magazine. Oh man, I'm learning so much on how to package and present my goods that I send when I do swaps. What seems ordinary is often the extraordinary. How cute. These items remind me of simpler times and slower paced lives. How stinking cute. Okay, let's get started. I'm overwhelmed to say the least. I think this is painted with a marker. Let's bring this down so I can stay in frame. I've never received anything like this, so I don't know. Okay. And here's the thing. I'm really not a stickers girl. I don't mind fussy cutting. So I'm trying to get into stickers. And that was the reason why I did this swap. One of the reasons why I did this swap, I should say. Because I would like to see what other people have, increase what I have, share what I have and try to use those things that are given, you know, and change the dynamic of my stickers, or change it to, I said that wrong. I got sidetracked. Sorry. Change the texture of my art. Okay, so let's get tucked there, right? Yeah, that's so cool. Well, this is good. This is some good stuff. Good stuff, Noelle. Good stuff. Let's check out these stickers. Now, Noelle is our host, okay? And like I said in my last video with the stickers that I was showing, the rules were, I'm telling you this because of what we're about to dive into. The rules were 10 stickers, okay? 10 stickers, a piece of trash. So I will say that this is the trash, which is the magazine envelope. I'm gonna say that is the trash. And honey, these are the stickers. Thank you, Noelle. Totally beyond my expectations. I'm not even sure what I was expecting. Nonetheless, I am grateful for this experience and just learning new techniques. Thank you. But wait, there's more. If you saw my video, you know that I had 2 partners. How about that? I received both of my partners' Happy Mail on the same day. This is from Lolly, and it's only right if we open it today as well in this video, right? All right, so let's jump on in and see. Pardon me. If I go this way, I can't get a read on this. I know it's heavy on this side. Okay. Here we go. Cross your toes. Cross your fingers. Let's see what we got. Okay, no breathing. Cut it out. Stop breathing. All right. Here we go. Oh, you see how close that is? I could have cut it. Woo! Here we go. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. They must have been talking to each other. Here's another magazine page. Okay, wait a minute. Let me make sure. Nope. There's a note. Okay. Let's do that first. That's only proper. Hi, Vet. Pop-up swap. Trashy and flowy JJ. Junk journals. Enjoy. Lolly Busy. Thank you, Lolly. My what I saw is nothing like this. So I hope that they yeah, I hope it's received in love. Better Homes and Gardens. I do have a few of you. Oh man, she must know this is my jam. Look at this garden house. Golly. No more lawns. Annual clean house. Man, this is amazing. I absolutely love it. This is dreams, hopes, and wishes right here, Lolly. I want my husband to build me some raised garden beds this year. I was recently diagnosed with RA, and I already had arthritis in my lower back, and with the fibromyalgia, it's just a no-go. Me bending down like that is just not happening. That is just too low. Woo! But yeah, this is gorgeous. I absolutely love that. Okay, I digress. Ooh, all this color. You know I love Starburst, but I should not be eating them. Bad Lolly, bad Lolly. What's here? A nook. Oh, I'm a sucker for nooks. A nook is the perfect place to take a risk because it's contained, immersive, and impactful. Truth. You tell him, Rosanna Blossom. It is crazy. Oh, that's so cute. Not a tattoo. Okay, I'm not a cat girl. I do love kittens. But that is cute. That's cute. Crazy cute. All right, our magazine pages. And here are our stickers. Our stickers. Okay. Oh, this is a piece of trash. Quest. Okay. So these are our trash. We have our 2 magazine pages and our Quest. Protein cookies. That sounds delicious. All right, let's get our stickers together. Make sure Turn everything over, proper like. I'm turning them the wrong way, aren't I? I don't have individual stickers like this. I needed to get it together. Lolly, thank you so much for being my swap partner as well. This was super fun. I am enjoying my stickers. Oh, if you know me, you know I'm always like, oh, that's my jam. So this is just right up my alley. Thank you. To both Lolly and to Noelle, this was super fun. I appreciate you both. Now, go be great and create. Love ya.
Enjoying my content? Well, come join our creative tribe. Subscribe, like, and share. I don't mind at all. Thank you.